How to get a police report in Florida. If you ever need a copy of a police report in Florida, here's exactly what to do. You can request it in person or by mail, but not by phone, fax, or email. Those requests are not accepted, and reports won't be sent that way either. To start, visit your local public records center. Every police department in Florida has one. For example, in Fort Myers, you can go to 2210 Widman Way, Fort Myers, Florida 33901, or call 239-321-7665 for guidance on how to make your request. If you prefer mailing your request, include your full name, contact details, and as much information as possible about the incident, like the date, time, location, and case number if you know it. You can also reach out to the Florida Department of Law Enforcement, known as the FDLE, at 850-410-8109, or visit their website for statewide information or assistance. Finally, remember to bring a valid ID and be patient. Depending on the case, it might take a few business days for the report to be ready. This way, you'll get your Florida police report the right way and without delays.